How's everyone doing? James at Product Informer here. So today we're going to be reviewing the UK version of the Mavic Air 2. So it's going to be a straight run through. I'm not going to mess about sort of editing this one. I'm just going to stick it straight up. I haven't posted this channel in a long time, so I thought it's about time I did. So let's get into it. The only thing I've done is took the back cover off the back. But I'm just going to give you a quick spin around the box. Obviously it's just dead simple. DJI's website link's just there. A few bits on the back here which you can pause that now if you want to read them, and I'll let you skim through that. More DJI branding there, and then obviously back to the product. Bit more information's on the bottom. Made for iPhone it says, but it works for anything. So put that down there and let's list this off. Dead satisfying as always. I'm gonna pop that over there, and then as you see, dead simple, just here. So it's dead light, you know, it's got no real weight to it really. It's nice. So obviously you pull them out, as we all know. Those ones pop down like so. And there you have it. Pop that off. Really nice looking thing. So dead easy. We'll pop that off to the side because obviously it's just a quick unboxing. I might do a comprehensive review if I feel like it. But obviously I feel like a lot of early YouTubers have already got the jump on that one, since they've had it for a few weeks. I've had to go out and buy this, so this is the launch day for it, if you were wondering. So put that over there. Bring this one back. Let's see what's in here. So you got a little pull tab. Lift that up, and then you have everything. So controller just sits down there. Much nicer review. So the way they work is you've got your little thumb screws just down here, so they just pull out like so. And then you just screw into the top just like that. So I won't do that for the purpose of the video, but you get the idea. They just slot in just on there. Now it doesn't matter which way they go. Slight cutout shape, so you can see it just slots in just like so. Nice USB-C charging point. That is a really good thing to have. And then the way this works, it just pulls out from the main controller, and that's where your phone rests. And these are rubberized to sort of keep it in place there. That clicks back down. As you can see, fairly simple design, but it's really nice. You know, it's a nice feel. It's good, and it's nice that it's on the top rather than the bottom. Pop that off to the side once again. Let's see what else we have in the box. Let's see, I'm going to power through this one. I'm not bothered about the whole 10-minute video length for YouTube's algorithms. If you like my content, please do subscribe. But other than that, I'm not going to drag the video out unnecessarily for the purpose of 10 minutes to get some adverts on it, because it's not something you want to see. So inside here, pop this one open. This is where you get all your cables and things. So it's DJI, I mean, you can tell they've taken inspiration from Apple on this one. I mean, really well packaged, as you'd expect. So I'll slide these out. Those are, well, I'll have to check. Those are some replacement thumbsticks, joysticks for the controller. Small pair spare propellers just in there. I'll slide all this stuff out to get an idea what's in here. So charging brick, so obviously for the main drone itself. That is 3-pin, because I do live in the UK, as I said at the start of the video, so that one will be different depending on the country that you're in. And then you have your main charger, so main charger and connector just down the bottom here as well. So that'll plug in the controller and then straight into your phone, and it'll give you connection. There is also a, as you can see, a separate one just down there for different connections. And then as you can see, USB-C, charge the actual main thing up itself. So it's a very brief sort of run through there. Hope we keep it under 4 minutes. If you've got any questions, I'll be active in the comments, so just ask away, and I shall let you know how I get on. As I say, I probably won't do a review because there's plenty of them online already, but if you do have any questions that you want to ask me personally, just drop them in the comments and I'll reply to them when I can. Cheers, man. Bye.